Good morning, I'm Mohan Sharma. My husband Mohan Sharma is come for operation over here in Sohana Hospital. We heard about this hospital when we were in Australia and we found out about this. We came to know that this is a very good hospital, and especially we came to know about Dr. 𝐺𝐵 Sachdeva. He's really an humble person, down to the earth, and very good doctor. The staff over here is very good, very cooperative, and एक आवाज़ पे दौड़े आते हैं and they attend very nicely. So we had very good experience, and he's been operated by this Dr. 𝐺𝐵. Robotic surgery has been done. So thank you, staff Sohana, and thanks to Dr. 𝐺𝐵 and other doctors too. So I think my husband will also say something.
Well, Mohan Sharma, I am. I've come from Australia, though I live in Himachal, but बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ ऑपरेशन करवा के डॉक्टर गगनदीप को मिलके और बाकी सब डॉक्टर्स को मिलके. It was wonderful experience, and the staff is excellent. No words for them. Fantastic is the only word for them. Thank you very much, and I will advise people to come and get it done from here because it is painless surgery. Thank you very much. Okay.